Welcome to the Human Speech Production demo. In this demo, we'll understand how to produce human speech using APIs. There's several APIs available that we can use to convert text to speech with Python. One such API is the Google Text-to-Speech API, commonly known as Gtts Api. Gtts is a very easy-to-use tool which converts the text entered into audio which can be saved as an MP3 file. To do so, open the command prompt and let's download the required packages from the command line using either pip or conda. Here, we're going to use pip to install our Gtts Python module. Type the command below and click enter. Pip install Gtts. Next, go to the Start menu of your window and open the Jupyter Notebook as shown. Once the Jupyter Notebook is initialized, you'll see the link redirecting to the browser. Next, click on New and then Python 3 to create a new Python project. Let's rename the project as Human Speech Production. Now, let's understand how to implement this project. The first step is importing the required module for text-to-speech conversion. Do that as follows. Import Gtts, and then from Gtts, and import OS. Run the code now in order to import these libraries. Next, let's define the text for which we want to produce human speech. Let's say, welcome to your first test of human speech production. Once this is defined, run the code. Now, there are various human languages available, so we will also have to define the language in which we want to produce the speech. Let's define the language, say English this time. Let's now convert the text to human speech using the Gtts API, using the following code. My obj, or object, equals Gtts, and we'll pass into this method different parameters. Text equals my text, lang equals language, slow equals false. We can see that the text in the language in which we want to convert the text are passed as parameters to the Gtts function. We have also marked slow equals false, which tells the module that the converted audio should have a high speed. Run the code. Oops, we have an error that says my text is not defined. Let's run all the cells again and this should solve the error. Once the text is converted into speech, we would have to convert it to an audio file. Let's save the converted audio into an MP3 file named welcome. To do so, we will use the save function and pass the audio name as a parameter as shown on the screen. please make sure to specify the complete path where the file has to be saved. Now run the file. Oops, we have an error again. Let's change the path or check if the path is correct and run the code again. Yes, this helps. Let's now try playing the converted file using os.system command as shown on the screen. Now run the code. And here we have successfully completed the process of producing human speech using the Gtts API.